Okay, so there are two challenges here. For what we have in the numerator, the challenge is that it's hard to factor something that's an 8u squared. So I'm definitely going to use a box for the top. And I would recommend that. We'll put an 8u squared in the upper left-hand corner, a -9. So we're looking for two things that multiply together to give us -72u squared and add to give us 6u. And with a little bit of playing around, I know that that's going to be 12u and -6u, right? 12 times 6 is 72. So now I'm going to stand over here and ask myself what I can pull out of these two terms, and that is a 4u, and then everything else falls into place. We'll have a 2u. This has got to be a 3. That's got to be a -3, and -3 times 3 is -9. So the top simplifies into 2u plus 3 times 4u minus 3. Now, what always stymies me in something like what we have in the denominator is that, to me, it's not in the right form. So I'm going to rearrange this. I want the u squared coming first, but the negative belongs to that 4, right? That's a -4u squared. And then we have -5u, and then we have +6. And what I'm going to do is factor a -1 out of this so that I can handle it better. So 4u squared plus 5u minus 6. So I'm going to put the negative right over there. And then factoring bottom, again, I'm going to use a box. 4u squared, -6. We have -24u squared. Two things that multiply to -24u squared and add up to 5u. Well, that's going to be positive 8u and -3u. And then using the box, again, I'm going to stand here. I'm going to have a 4u and a u, 2, and -3. So this becomes 4u minus 3 and u plus 2. And then I can cancel out those 4u minus 3's, and I'm going to have a negative involved. So we have 2u plus 3 on the top, u plus 2 on the bottom. And either I can leave the negative on the bottom and put that in parentheses, but I'm going to pull it out in the front. So again, if you have a negative in the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter where it goes, or you can pull it out in the front.